Y'all see me? I'm back, y'all. Finna do some night fishing here at Hickory Point Park. Finna put that work in. You see it. That's where I'm at. It's a nice place to be at, y'all. Day or night. If you ain't doing nothing, visit this place. Little Lake Harris, y'all. You see me. I done fished all through the night, y'all. It's daytime now. Still getting them. You see that goon. Out here doing something I love doing. That's fishing. You see me. Putting that work in. I'm still at it. I've been out here a good little minute now, but I'm still at it. You see me. You see me. Just got me a scraper, y'all. Go along with everything else I got. You see? Out here putting that work in. I'm still out here, y'all. I ain't went home yet. Oh, Mr. Scrapper done came through for pretty fish. Y'all ought to know by now. I know how to get them out the water.